if to check if any item or value exists in the list, exists in the list. So by in keyword, by in keyword we can check. So let us see how we will check that. So you need to use if statement here, if condition, if 70 in keyword, as I told you that in is a keyword, by that we can check any value present. Exist means present in which list? Vasu list. Okay, so by in keyword we can check that this 70 value is present in this Vasu list. That moment, so red mark, why it is stating expected indented block. Indented block means then after Java interpreter expecting indented block, indented block, some margin, after that indentation means margin, after that a block means line of code, it is expecting that. So now here print that line of code, block means line of code. Statement is what? Put a string type of statement here. Okay, print yes 70 is present in list. Okay, this statement to be printed. Else statement. Else means if this condition okay, so this statement will be printed, this string will be printed. Else if this statement is not true, so print okay string type of data, no, 70 is not present here, 70 is not present in the list. Okay, so by this in keyword we can to check if any value exist means present in the list. By in keyword we can use here, and by condition, if condition, let us check what happens. No, 70 is not present in the list, Vasu list. Which list? Vasu list. Where is our Vasu list? This is our. Is there any 70 value? 70.8 is there, but 70 is not there. Okay, this is a 10.5. So now let us see if 70.8 present, 70.8 present, yes, it is present. So we need to get this answer. Now run this. Yes, 70 is present in list. So by this in keyword we can check that any value is present in the list. So what is the meaning of if else statement in any language? If else they will be used to check back the conditions. Okay, they are called conditional statements, condition statements. If any condition is this, the condition, this condition is true, this statement will be printed. If condition is not true, this statement will be printed. So what about that if else? If else means if you want to check for more conditions, so elif, this is elif, so you need to take this. In Java it is called else if, here simply elif. Elif is what? To check back one more condition, means multiple condition if you want to check. If 70.80 is in Vasu, print yes. Okay, so if it is true, this condition is, this statement is true, this line of code will be printed. Elif 10, okay, take any value true. True is here, true, where true is present here. So take if else true, else true in Vasu print, copy this one, okay. Now what happened, try to understand. So one more condition I have written here, if true present exists in Vasu, so now this statement to be printed, yes, true is present, true is present. So whenever 70, if 70 first statement will be checked, if it is not true, so next statement will be checked. So elif block will be used to check multiple conditions. We need to start first if condition, then after next condition to be start with elif, okay. Finally else, if no any condition is true, so last statement will be checked, okay. So now see what happened. Yes, 70 is present in list, 70 is present, na? So 70 is present, so now last statement executed. What? First statement, this is 70 is not present, yes, 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 this is being executed. Why? Because if 70.8 is present in our, so if I remove this, so then what happened, this statement will be false, so next statement will be executed. See, yes, true is present in the list, means first statement 70 is not present in our list, 7 there is no any 70.8, so first statement will be skipped means it will not be executed, so next condition will be checked. So true, whether true is present in our list, so elif means second statement will be checked, okay. So next else will not be checked. So one more condition, if I want to write if, okay, here I want to check for two conditions. If true and I am using AND operator, and 70.8 in Vasu, okay. Here we need to get a printout of how many. So yes, both are present, both are present, both are what, above true and 70.8 present in, okay, they are present. Let us see. Yes, true is present in list, true is present in list, na? So you change this, you keep this false statement. If true, you keep small letters, because small true will not be always, boolean value will be considered as capital letters. So here true, so this will not be considered. Name error, name error. Why? Because name error in Python, boolean always will be declared with the capital letter. That's why it is stating, okay. So we have mentioned boolean value true with the small letter. That's why name error. So you do one thing, you make it false, okay. So first statement is false, there is no any 70, you write elif 60 is